The FOC Quantity Module allows the FOC items in a transaction row. To do that, first go to Sales and click Invoice. Then, create a new invoice. Select a debtor, add items. Then, key in the quantity and key in the free of charge item. Once you're done, click Save. Then, you may double click to view the saved invoice. To view the FOC analysis report, go to Sales and click FOC Quantity Analysis by Document Report. Then, click Inquiry. Here, you may view the total FOC quantity and sales document involved. For example, 5 items worth 5 ringgit have been given out as FOC. You can also perform FOC maintenance in stock item maintenance. To do that, go to Stock, click Stock Item Maintenance. Select an item, click Edit. Then, go to Sales Entitlement, and here you can key in for every sale of X items will be entitled to Y as FOC items. For example, for every sale of 20 items, will be entitled to 1 as FOC item. Then click OK. To test this, create a new invoice. Then select the debtor. Then add items. Key in the quantity, and the FOC will be automatically generated.